Welcome to our newest for lease listing presented by Realty Growth Incorporated. We're on 4th Avenue Northwest, extremely close to the Mayo campus and all the growth that's going on in Rochester. And this building behind us has approximately 2,000 square feet of shop space and office. If you're looking to expand your small business, it's a very convenient location with signage and also a little bit of parking around the side of the building. So come inside to check it out. We'd be happy to give you a tour. As you come inside, you have a 12-foot by 12-foot garage door, a really deep garage bay. These offices could stay or go depending on your use. They do have some carpet in there, electric. It makes for a great office. There's 2 in total. There is a private restroom dedicated to this space, and it is just an efficient space for any small business that is growing close to downtown. I imagine someone in the trades. Next door is Safe Light Auto Glass. They've talked about complementing business such as window tinting, car detailing. Just open to any idea. Reach out to the team at RGI today and we'll get you a tour of this space and talk about anything commercial real estate related in the Southeast Minnesota market.